Hi, let's start learning about Pandas. The main goal of this course is that you feel comfortable with Pandas library. The idea is that we cover the most important topics following a mix of theory and learning by doing approaches. This is the introductory video where I explain what is Pandas and how to install it. What is Pandas? If we check the definition of Pandas from its website, we get the following. Pandas is a fast, powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use open-source data analysis and manipulation tool. Pandas library is very popular in engineering, data science, machine learning, and other areas as well for a number of reasons. It provides interesting and efficient tools for data analysis. It scales quite well, meaning that it can handle large datasets. You can pipe data to Pandas from different file formats and database with ease. It's free, it is in constant development, and it has a large community. Pandas is not doing all the magic alone, there are another Python libraries behind it. For manipulation, Pandas has its own methods, but when it comes to array computing, Pandas uses NumPy. For data visualization, Pandas has built-in methods based on matplotlib. However, we are not limited to matplotlib. You can use whatever visualization library you want to use for data visualization, like Seaborn, Plotly, Booker, and so on. Finally, we have data analysis. I will be using Jupyter Notebook because it is easier to me to show you the content of the videos, and I also want to create notebooks that will serve as reference material. You are not required to use Jupyter Notebook to follow this course. Feel free to use the IDE of your preference. And in case you don't know, I have playlists on NumPy and matplotlib. I recommend you to have a look at them before attending this course because I will not be explaining the commands in detail as I did in the playlist, okay? And if you want to use Jupyter Notebook to follow this course, I also have a video showing how to get started, and I walk you through the installation process and explain how it works. I will let the link in the video description. Okay, how to install Pandas? There are basically two ways to do it. The easiest way to get Pandas is installing Anaconda. If you use Anaconda, you will have it in your base environment, then there is no need to install anything else. If you don't use Anaconda, you can get Pandas via the pip package manager. In case you already have NumPy and matplotlib, you only need to install it. Then you type python -m pip install pandas. In case you have a brand new environment and you want to install Pandas, you need to install NumPy and matplotlib as well. For that, you type the same command I just told you and add matplotlib and NumPy in the end. And the third example is only if you want to add Seaborn as well. Installing Pandas is quite straightforward. If you have any issue, let me know in the comments. And don't forget, if you want to use Jupyter Notebook, you also have to install it. After going through this process, you can check if Pandas is installed. You just need to open your terminal, then you type Python. Now we type import pandas. If you get no error, there you go, you have it installed. In the next video, we'll start talking about the main data structure from Pandas, which are series and data frame. See you in the next one.